In this video, I want to show you how you can download free assets, free 3D models, free textures from Quixel.com. Now, in this video, I will show you how to bring this into Unreal Engine like that. And this is actually one of these assets in really low detail. And you will see you have many different level of details that you can pick from. So let's start from the beginning and I will show you all the steps. Now the first step, of course, is to get into Quixel. So we can find Quixel on any search engine like Google, and there it is. The official website, it's Quixel.com. You can jump directly into Megascans, or if you want, you can also give a look to the website here. They have a lot of nice images and information. They also display other products. They have Bridge, Mixer, and this is Megascan right here. So we can access to Megascans also from this drop-down menu. Also, they have a learning area, community, and other stuff here. Now, what you need to do to get Quixel Megascans, now you can just navigate through all these 3D and 2D assets. These are materials. They call these surfaces. So if you go to surfaces, you will find lots of ready materials and that you can use. You can also customize them once you get all the package. And also they have 3D plans, really nice and high quality, and 3D assets. Now this is where I got my rock from. So if you go to 3D assets, you see here this is called Nordic Beach Rock Formation, if you want to get the exact same model that I am using. Otherwise, you can see here you have buildings, you have doors into buildings. Well, everything is pretty well organized. So once you decide what you want to get, you just select your model and there it is. You have to sign in. So right now in this browser here, I'm not signed in. So what you need to do is go here and sign in if you already have an Epic Games account. Otherwise, you have to subscribe. There you go. And well, I suggest you create a Epic Games account. Otherwise, you will have to pay. So if you want to get this for free, just go to Epic Games website or Epic Games launcher. This is, of course, the one that you need to also download and launch Unreal Engine. So if you are watching this video, you're probably using Unreal Engine. You probably already did that. But for those of you who didn't already create a Epic Games account, well, just create one from here. Just say get Epic Games. They're gonna ask you, well, this is the installer actually, but well, you can sign in, you can create an account anytime from here, and then you can use the same subscription also to access Quixel.com. Totally free, and I definitely suggest you do that. So basically create an Epic Games launcher or Epic Games account, and then you say sign in with the Epic Games. Okay, and this is also our YouTube channel. You can find a lot of videos about Epic Games launcher and also about Unreal Engine and Unity. If you navigate, you will find anything you're probably interested, also Blender or other 3D application. Just type what you're looking for example, Blender install, and you will find a video guide about that, or also V-Ray, and we also have V-Ray for Unreal. Actually, we have an entire course on V-Ray for Unreal. Just go to the playlist and say you want to explore this part here, English video courses. So if you want to learn how to 3D model, how to do rendering, we have a bunch of video courses in English right here. And so please also support us with the community page and with the store. Okay, enough with the merchandising. Now let's get into this part. So I already created an account, of course. I already have an account. So I will show you here in this other browser, I've already logged in. So you can see here the same page that we were watching before, where we have all the 3D assets. Now all I need to do, I already signed in with my Epic Games. Now all I need to do is to select something that I want to import. Now let me see here, maybe I can download another one, for example this one here. So I'll just click on this green button at the top right, and it's gonna show this little green check mark, and there it is. Now it's downloading right there at the bottom. Probably, yeah, there it is, so you can see it. And I just have to wait now. Now once this is finished, I will show you how it will look like. So alright, now this is the folder here of the previous rock. So once you finish to download, you will see this zipped file like this. Now this is the one that it's downloading right now, and this is the one that it's already downloaded. So if you double click, you will find textures, you will find 3D objects, and other stuff here. Now you need to bring everything into Unreal Engine. Now you can see the different level of details. So starting from 0, which is the highest quality, and also it will be the heaviest, and this is gonna be 826. Let's see, lot number 5 is gonna be 49, so it's a lot smaller. So in this, I want to show you how to bring in maybe a medium quality and all the textures here. So let's get into Unreal Engine. Once you download that, so just extract it, create a new folder. Now I created a new folder here, and I will just open up a scene and just drag and drop your object inside. So let's get, for example, a level 3 and bring it, of course, not directly into the scene, but into the browser first. Alright, now this is an FBX, so basically you can use it in any 3D software that supports FBX. So I think basically you can use it anywhere. You have some options here, but I will generate some collisions, could be useful. Well, I will skip everything else, so just say import. And okay, it doesn't have smoothing groups, so well, it works fine, but because I see everything fine here. But all right, now this is basically a little bit more. It has a little bit more quality than this one. This was lot 5, and this is lot 3, but it's the same rock. Just have to rotate it a little bit. Maybe, yeah, like that. So you can see it has a bit more details. Now to create the material, it's pretty easy. You just have to, well, you just have to first of all bring in the textures. Like, just need a diffuse texture, albedo it's called in this case. So I will click here and drag this and drop it. I already did that, so I will not do it again, and it's this texture here. And then in the same way you can drag and drop all the other textures, and then here you will click and drag on the model. Now this is gonna automatically create a material, and then you can work on that material. So if you double click here, you can see here I've already placed the normal map. So to place a new map, for example, let's bring in the roughness. I will click and drag, get it into the editor, connect this to the roughness. There you go, now I have 3 textures. So the more texture you use, the more quality your material also will have. Save everything, and there you go. Now we get the model and the material and the texture all inside Unreal Engine. And that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this guide. So please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, questions, and suggestions, and see you in the next video.